Custard apple is a delicious fruit with a sweet, creamy taste. It is a good source of vitamins and minerals. Many people enjoy its unique flavor and texture. The fruit's creamy flesh is delightful eaten fresh. Custard apple goes by other names around the world. You might know it as cherimoya or sweet sop. No matter the name, the taste is just as delicious. Custard apple is native to the Americas. It thrives in tropical climates. It naturally grows in countries like Peru, Ecuador, and Colombia. The warm temperatures and humid air are perfect for this fruit to flourish. Today, custard apple is cultivated in many other tropical and subtropical regions around the world. Custard apple can be grown from seed. It's a fun and rewarding experience. First, soak the seeds in warm water for a day. Plant the seeds about an inch deep in well-draining soil. Keep the soil moist and warm. With patience, your seeds will sprout into seedlings. Custard apple trees need plenty of sunshine and warmth to thrive. Custard apple is not only delicious but also nutritious. It's a good source of vitamin C, which boosts immunity. It also contains potassium, which is important for heart health. Enjoy custard apple fresh, in smoothies or in desserts. If you're looking to try custard apple on your travels, consider visiting Southeast Asia. Countries like Thailand and Vietnam are famous for their abundance of tropical fruits, including custard apple. India is another fantastic place to experience this delicious fruit.